I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the inhaler is the correct Becotide device and not expired. Shake it firmly for about 5 seconds, remove the cap, and prime with 1-2 test puffs away from your face if new or unused. This ensures dose accuracy. Once done, breathe out slowly to a comfortable level, not to full collapse, and bring the mouthpiece to your lips. Seal with your teeth and lips. You're now ready to coordinate the inhalation and actuation. You now coordinate pressing and breathing. Tilt your head back slightly and seal your lips around the mouthpiece. Begin a slow, steady inhalation, then press the canister once and keep inhaling deeply and evenly for about 3-4 seconds so the aerosol reaches your lungs. After inhaling, hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds to allow deposition. Exhale slowly. If you need a second puff, wait 30 to 60 seconds and repeat the same steps. Use a spacer to simplify. You finish by replacing the cap and storing the inhaler upright at room temperature, away from heat and direct sunlight. Once done, rinse your mouth with water and spit to lower the risk of oral thrush. This is important after corticosteroid use. Clean the mouthpiece weekly by wiping and removing debris. If you notice weak spray or no dose, reprime as instructed, confirm the expiry date, try using a spacer, and contact your prescriber if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.